A few weeks ago, I announced that Sonos was partnering with IKEA to release a frame speaker. It's official now. They've actually launched it. It's going on sale next month on the 15th, priced at $200. Their new speaker frame, speak like wall speaker, is a very discreet looking speaker that looks like your wall frame, and it can hide away without giving its design, like what it was designed for, away to people. So you can have mount it on the wall, and when you mount it on the wall, it is going to hide it, or look, at least look like a wall frame. uh, that's just what it is. So let's take a look at what you are getting here with this new release. Okay, so technically it is quite slim in its build quality. There are a lot of good design that went into this, especially the build quality, because they are trying to give you a very, how will I put it? It's a very kind of like, it's a very discreet look, but still with big sound. So the power cable can be fixed or routed through different direction depending on where your outlet is. So wherever your outlet is in your living room, that's pretty much where you may have to set the the speaker frame and see what happens. IKEA and Sonos, they included a an area for chord management on the back of the frame, so you can hide away the cable, so it looks very tidy when you mount it. The Arc speaker can be placed on the floor with an included feet. So I don't know whether I would advise you keep the speaker on the floor, because you won't be using it in that manner. I really don't think you will be using it in that manner. So that's one of the things here. Now, Sonos continue by saying the challenge is designing the latest collaboration was basically to create room filling sound in a project that will be placed differently than many of its traditional speakers. It's um, it's quite nice, to be honest. Now, the picture frame, the picture frame. So the picture frame speaker can be paired with another picture frame speaker. So technically, you would probably spend two of the same amount, but the benefit here is that they can be paired up to serve as a stereo setup. So you can set up a two picture frame speaker and get a stereo sound that at least should be great overall. Now, there are controls for it, but it's technically located at the back of the frame, so that's it. Just know that that's where the controls are. Now, it's really really cool, to be honest. It's really really cool what you are getting these days. There is also Apple AirPlay to support here, which is not bad. I really don't think this is bad. This looks quite nice. Overall, this is a reasonably priced set, 200 bucks. It's not something that most people cannot afford. At 200 bucks, I think is within the financial capability of audiophiles out there. So this really looks good, especially for the fact that it can tuck away in your living space overall. So this is really really nice. I'll keep following it to see how big it becomes, whether it's very successful. We'll see what happens eventually. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.